How to install WordPress on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to install WordPress on Mac. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing WordPress on your Mac computer, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up WordPress on your Mac and start building your own website. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Xampp. Xampp is a software that allows you to run local servers on your Mac computer. First, you need to download Xampp from the official website, https://www.apachefriends.org/download.html. Select the version that is compatible with your Mac OS, and then click the download button. Step 2. Install Xampp. After the download is complete, double-click on the Xampp file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 3. Start Xampp. Once you have installed Xampp, go to your Applications folder, and double-click on the Xampp application to start it. You will see the Xampp control panel. Step 4. Start servers. In the Xampp control panel, click on to start the Apache and MySQL servers. Step 5. Download WordPress. Next, you need to download WordPress from the official website, https://wordpress.org/download/. Click on the download button to download the latest version of WordPress. Step 6. Move WordPress files. After downloading WordPress, go to your Downloads folder, and extract the zip file. Then move the WordPress folder to the htdocs folder located in the Xampp installation folder, Applications, Xampp, htdocs. Step 7. Create a database. Next, you need to create a database for your WordPress installation. Go to the Xampp control panel, and click on the Open Web Start Page button. This will take you to the Xampp web server page. Click on the phpMyAdmin link to open the phpMyAdmin page. Click on the Databases tab and then create a new database by entering a name and clicking on Create. Step 8. Configure wp-config.php. Next, you need to configure the wp-config.php file located in the WordPress folder. Open the WordPress folder, and find the wp-config sample.php file. Rename it to wp-config.php. Then, open the file in a text editor and enter the database name, username, and password that you created in the previous step. Step 9. Install WordPress. After configuring the wp-config.php file, go to your web browser and type in the following URL, http://localhost/wordpress/. This will take you to the WordPress installation page. Select the language you want to use and click on the Continue button. Then, enter the site information and click on the Install WordPress button. Step 10. Log into WordPress. After installing WordPress, you can log into the admin dashboard by going to http://localhost/wordpress/wp-admin/ in your web browser. Enter the username and password that you created during the installation process. Congratulations! You have successfully installed WordPress on your Mac computer. You can now start building your own website using WordPress. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.